It's Saturday morning and we are having a much needed day at home today. We haven't got that much on, it's wet and grey and miserable here, so we're going to stay at home and have a much needed day at home, just doing some errands, doing some housework. James is about to brave the rain and take the kids and the dog out on a walk to try and burn off some of their energy, but I'm just going to stay and do some housework stuff because we just have not had time to do that over the last few weeks. This video is being sponsored by Rug Doctor and they have sent us some of their products to try out, so I'm going to use that as inspiration to just get on and do a bit of deep cleaning. Yeah, it's just the kind of day where we're going to strip the beds, I'm going to hoover under the sofa cushions, all those little bitty cleaning jobs that you never really get time to do as often as you would like to. So first of all though, I'm going to have a cup of tea because I am powered by tea. Speaking of cups of tea, Meg has just recently been so helpful in wanting to constantly furnish me with cups of tea, but she keeps spilling them on the stairs carpet. So after my much needed cuppa, I'm going to tackle that stain first, or those stains, because there's a fair few, I think. So Eli has had a mark on his carpet since I think the first week that the carpet was installed. He dropped some kind of alien slime onto the carpet and it left like a dark mark. We cleaned it up as best we could with just the generic cleaning products that we had, but we've never quite managed to lift it out of the carpet. So I'm going to give the Rug Doctor portable spot cleaner a go and see if that can lift it out, because obviously it's a brand new carpet and we want to keep it looking as clean as possible. So it's been a bit of an annoyance that we've had this mark on the carpet. I mean, marks are inevitable when you've got kids and pets and just everyday family life happening around you, but to be able to get them out would just be brilliant. So this is one of the cushions off our sofa and this is a felt tip. One of the kids had a pen in their pocket and they sat on the sofa and the pen snapped and leaked everywhere. Probably wasn't a great idea choosing a light coloured sofa with kids, but there you go. Okay, so it hasn't completely faded, but we used the spot cleaner and then we also used this foam cleaner that we got from Rug Doctor, and it hasn't completely got rid of it, but it's definitely faded. And I reckon if we let this dry, because you have to let this stuff dry for 2 hours and then hoover it away, but I reckon if we let this dry and then go over it again, it might actually come out. Okay, so this is white sofas really are not a good idea with kids. This is a chocolate stain. One of the kids was having a snack and melted some chocolate, as they do. Usually we flip this cushion over so you can't see it, but we're going to give the spot cleaner a go and see if we can get it off. Well, you look wet. Peppa, are you wet? It was almost inevitable that one of the kids, namely Eli, would come back and walk from the front door right through the kitchen in muddy wellies. Sigh. back from the park. We went to play some cricket with the kids, and would you believe that we've got more mud on the whole carpet now. I don't know which one of them brought it in, but we now have more mud to clean up. So overall today I have been really impressed with the Rug Doctor products. The portable spot cleaner did a fantastic job of lifting the stain out of Eli's carpet, and I feel like although it didn't lift the ink out of the sofa cushion 100%, had we done it as soon as the ink was there, it would have cleared it up almost straight away. It's just because it's been there for quite some time, but it definitely faded it, and I was really impressed with how much it managed to fade the colour from the ink. And yeah, just the other products, the wipes and the foam floor cleaner, you know, Eli coming through the house in his muddy wellies, and just people spilling things and people trampling things in. It's an inevitable part of a busy family home, and having those products on hand and able to just deal with the stains and the marks right away, it's just a really handy and good way of keeping our new carpets nice and clean, because obviously we are renovating our home, we are making an investment with our carpets, and we want to keep them looking as good as possible for as long as possible. So yeah, I've been really impressed with everything that we've used today. So thank you very much to Rug Doctor. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give me the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all very, very soon.